So hello friends, मैं वापस आ गया हूँ with a new poem of Unit 4 which is named as Once I Saw a Little Bird. So let's sing and enjoy this poem. NCRT station gives you the best poems of NCRT with attractive pictures. So let's start. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, "Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?" I was going to the window to say, "How do you do?" But she shook his little tail and away he flew. So, thank you, listeners. May you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and get the best videos and best knowledge of the English.